So I got up this morning and my car told me it needs maintenance. Don't you love modern technology? It's like, Mommy, I need help. So I pulled into my Toyota dealership where I bought it. I just pulled right on in. There's nobody here. Well, there's people here, but I don't know where they are. So I'm going to go into the office over here and tell them that my baby needs something. It says maintenance. I don't know what it needs. Probably oil change or something. Kevin says I'm terrible about that. Hello. My car is telling me it needs maintenance. So I guess we'll get it maintained. I'm not sure what it needs, but it's telling me it needs something.
We can sure get you fixed up.
Oh, thanks.
Keys in it, I assume?
Yes, I left the keys in.
Perfect. We'll get you all lined out.
All right, thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.
Nice place. I paid a lot for that car, but I'd buy it again just because they're really nice here. Oh, they have snacks, and I need coffee. I forgot my phone at work last night, so I've been particularly wanting. I haven't even played games on or nothing this time. But that's pretty quick here. Alright, what I'd like to do is trade off mine for one of these bigger hybrids. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that thing. I love the two cup holders. I like the two-tone interior. And it looks like there's a lot more headroom in this one than there is in mine. The price is like $30,000 now. I can't remember what I paid for mine. I think it was like $21. And I traded in. Of course, they wouldn't give me payoff on mine, I'm sure. It's really a sharp-looking thing. I like those tail lights. They're very George Jetson-y. Cool. I don't like the gray color though. It looks too much like the highway. I want people to be able to see me. Man, look at the size of this monster. If you had 1,500 kids, this is what you need. $32,000. Oh wow. Look at that. Man. That thing would be like riding around in a, I don't know. Excuse me, I'm getting my exercise just walking around it. That thing is huge. It's like driving a city bus. And still walking, and still walking. My God. How many children would you have? If you had that many children, you couldn't afford it. It's kind of strange. Oh well. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. It's all I can do to afford mine. Here's a black one. Why are all the cars in black and gray? We need more color in this world. Still waiting. It's Friday, so it seems like there's not too many people here. Maybe they all took a long weekend. Well, that's okay. They got a big screen TV watch. And some magazines. I think I'll sit here and read some Women's Days magazines and wish I was crafty. I had a really nice conversation with a wonderful woman in the meeting room, and we are done and out of here. Wow, my car's driving so much better. I feel like I'm sitting higher. They said they rotated the tires and they changed the oil, and the engine even sounds quieter. Oh, a good maintenance is a wonderful thing. Didn't cost me anything because this car is a Toyota, and it's covered for like 100,000 miles or 60,000 miles and all the maintenance and stuff, which was really nice. I do like that about it, even though in general I don't like this car because of the low ceilings and, you know, the gas mileage that's not up to par of what it should be. But I do like Toyota's guarantee in their maintenance department. And it took quite a while this morning, but I think the problem was it's Friday morning. And of course, they just take you right in. They don't make appointments and things. So, but I really had this wonderful conversation with a really nice woman who works in the same mental health field as I do. And we just had, you know, a wonderful time joking and laughing about, you know, funny things and, you know, how we feel about stuff. We didn't talk about anything. It was, you know, But it was funny, and we had a good time. And I told her to find me on YouTube and look up the ketogenic diet. And she said she would, because she thought it just sounds like everything the opposite of what we've ever, been taught. And I said it is, and that I'm giving it a whirl. And at least I'm not gaining weight. I'm staying the same. So, and I was telling her about the mental aspects of being happier while I'm on it and more bright. I have today off. I don't want to do it the rest of the day. I'm going to stop by and see Mom and see what she's doing. I do have some plans for my next video, though. So, I'll go get some things out of Walmart, which is where I'm sitting. Not food. I don't need any food. Heavens knows. But I am thirsty. So, I'm going to run in here and get some things, and then I'm going to head home. Thanks for watching. Like or subscribe to keep up with me. You have a great day.